Hello everybody. I ordered this little handheld vacuum from Walmart.com, and no, I am not sponsored at all. It is for wet and dry use. The model number is XC-01. It says here it's especially used for DC and 12-volt cars, wireless, and yes, it is rechargeable. Here is what you get. The vacuum, of course, with the filter and all of these accessories, and some instructions. Here's what the plug looks like. You can even plug this in to the side of your computer or rechargeable device. The main thought that I had when I got this vacuum was because I have a cat. A lot of cat hair, and when she gets in and out of the potty, we get stuff like this. That would be the cat litter. Quick demo for you. Turn it on right here. Onto the carpet. To clean, press right here so that you can remove the front. Filter removes this way. This will pull out of here like this, and then you can discard whatever you have cleaned up. Here is what I like about this filter. It is washable. And yes, this is a wet and dry vac. So you can take the filter, clean it out, just like that, and set that aside to dry for reuse. Goes back together just like that. And for what I need it for, as far as the cat hair and the excess cat litter, this is just what the doctor ordered. The name on the product is Romancom, Romancom, on Walmart.com for about $28. There you have it. Thank you so very much for tuning in, and please share the video. Take care.